Hey guys, I recently learned about the genetic algorithm, so I decided to create a simple simulation that could help me understand it a little better. I'm using Python's pygame to create this as it's really easy to install actually. This simulation involves a number of birds whose objective is to reach the goal, and birds have a width and a height, wing width and height, flapping speed, and a forward or backward velocity. The larger the wing area, the greater the upward push during each flap. The body size and the wing size contribute to the weight of the bird, hence if they're larger the bird will actually fall faster. Yeah, as you can see here, by generation 5 the birds were already reaching the goal, so I decided to make it a little harder by moving the goal. But that was also getting too easy for the birds. I guess the bounds were too high or something. Just fast forwarding here and you can see that birds actually learn quite fast, and in very few generations it's getting to the goal. So I decided to add some obstacles, but this time I improved the birds, giving them an upward or downward flight path, meaning that they can stop flapping the wings and actually just glide down, as you can see here. Yeah, so gave this a go, waited for a while. It was obviously harder for them. You can see a lot of birds just crashing into the obstacles. By generation 20, still nothing happening, except they're just getting closer, but none of them passing the second obstacle. Still learning, flapping downwards. Until generation 36, where one bird actually finally passed the obstacle, but just died. Yep, then we had two of them pass by. Actually, what you see in yellow is always the one with the best score from the previous generation. You can see the birds are getting larger and flapping really fast during the first path. Second one made it, but all they need to do now is to flap upwards when they pass the second obstacle, so it's still waiting for that to happen. Now we have 4 birds that have passed the second obstacle by generation 42. Haha, back to 3. And one bird finally started flapping upwards. He's gonna be in yellow this time, because he should be the best from the previous generation. Let's see about that. There we go. And we have one that's even better than him. Yeah, he should have a really high score by now. Scoring basically works if you're close to the goal. That gives you a really high score exponentially. If you pass the first obstacle, that will also multiply your score. Passing the second obstacle also multiplies your score, so birds that pass both obstacles and are close to the goal will have a super high score. So by generation 47, you can see that the birds were actually reaching the goal. Here we have at least 2 that were almost close. Yeah, actually pygame was really easy to make the birds with, and this simulation, just a bunch of squares, rectangles with different sizes, and a triangle, and the goal. Sorry if the frame rate isn't that great. So by generation 50 they were already reaching the goal. Yeah, thanks for watching.